Hey loves, what's good? So I am back with a new video, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. But anyways, I wanted to come to you guys today and show you my co-wash routine for my relaxed hair. If you guys do not remember, I did go ahead and relax my hair. It's been about 1 year, and a lot of times I do co-wash my hair instead of shampooing and conditioning it on wash day. So I wanted to show you what products I use, as well as step by step on how I do my co-wash routine. Also, I will be showing you guys a length check, which is pretty amazing after 1 year. So if you guys are interested to see all of this, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so the first step that I do is I go ahead and take off my grandma bonnet, and I am going to be taking down my 2 French braids that I did. And the only reason I do have my hair in French braids is because I was wearing a sew-in wig. So it's been about a week, and it's definitely time for me to wash my hair because I moisturize my hair almost every single day as of last week, so it's pretty yucky. So right now I'm just going ahead and taking down the rubber bands that I use at the ends of my hair, and I'm going in and carefully taking down the braids, and I am giving myself a scalp massage. You guys, I massage my scalp constantly, all the time. So I definitely massage my scalp before I go in and wash my hair. So after I massage my scalp, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wet my hair. And I usually wet my hair with like lukewarm to warm water, and I get it pretty soaking wet. I do use a towel to kind of blot dry it so it's just not dripping everywhere. So the first product that I'm going to be going in with co-washing my hair is from As I Am. This is their coconut co-wash cleansing conditioner, and I definitely use this product. I highly recommend. This product definitely helps with moisturizing my hair. It helps with detangling my hair and getting my scalp very clean. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and section off my hair into 4 sections. I do this all the time. It doesn't matter what I'm doing to my hair. I always section it off. I never just go in and slap on the product. So I always start with the back and I work my way towards the front. So a lot of times because my hair is so thick, I do section the one section off into 2 more sections. So instead of it being 1 full section, I section it off into 2 sections, and I just go in and apply the product. I make sure that I'm hitting my scalp. I'm making sure that I'm hitting the ends of my hair, because the ends of your hair is very crucial when it comes to applying product, because the ends of your hair is the most weakest point of your hair. So I make sure that I apply enough product on the ends, as well as the rest of my hair. And if you guys do not remember from my shampoo and condition routine that I posted a few months ago, I use a lot of product, and I'm going to continue to use a lot of product because I can afford it. I know I got a lot of comments like, oh, you use a lot of product. I don't care. I use a lot of product because 1, my hair is really thick, and 2, I just want to make sure that product is all over my hair and my scalp. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm applying the As I Am co-wash conditioner onto my hair. And then I'm also making sure that I'm focusing on my edges as well, because when I do wear my wigs, I do apply the Got2b gel, and I do not want my edges to break off or get dry or become damaged. So this is the reason why I always make sure that I focus on my edges as well. And I do this throughout my whole entire head. I make sure that I apply enough product on all of my hair. So after I have applied all the product onto my hair, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually massage my scalp again. Massaging your scalp, you guys, it definitely helps with stimulating blood flow to your scalp, as well as it helps with healthy hair growth. So like I stated before, I always massage my scalp no matter what I do. I either use my fingertips or I use this product right here, tool right here, which is from Vanity Planet. I went ahead and picked this up off of their website. This is basically their scalp massager. It's like a vibrator. All you have to do is like apply batteries and turn on the little white button, and it massages your scalp, and it feels really good, really soothing, really relaxing. Now I'm back, and I'm going to actually go in and apply a deep conditioner. The products that I will be using to do my deep conditioning routine is from ORS. This is their olive oil replenishing conditioner, and then I also will be going in with Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. The only reason why I'm using both of the products together is because I really do not have a lot of the ORS products. I apply this throughout my entire head once again, and then after I apply all the product, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying a plastic cap, and I will be having this product sit on my hair for about 45 minutes. But before I apply the plastic bag, the next thing I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to go in and massage my scalp once again. As you guys can see, when I do apply the product, I do use my fingertips a little bit to apply the product onto my scalp, and then I go in with the Vanity Planet scalp massager, and that just basically takes care of the rest of me massaging my. So after I let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 45 minutes, I did go in once again and rinse out the product with lukewarm to warm water. But before I finished completely with my wash routine, I did rinse off my hair with cold water. That is like the last step that I do when it comes to having my head in water, is I finish off with using cold water, and I use that. Just make sure like the cold water is hitting my scalp, hitting my hair, hitting my ends, and I'm basically locking in the moisture. This is the reason why I rinse out my hair at the very last end with cold water. So this is basically how my hair looks after I did my cold wash routine. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good, pretty moisturized. So the next step that I'm going to do is I actually went in with a leave-in conditioner. Now I kind of switch up when it comes to my leave-in conditioner. I would either use my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, which is in a spray bottle, or I will use my CANTU Shea Butter leave-in conditioner repair cream. And because I was focusing on moisture for my hair, I went ahead and used the CANTU Shea Butter leave-in. And I'm basically applying this product throughout my entire hair, and I will be drying off my hair about 50%. And I will be using a t-shirt, just a regular cotton t-shirt. I will be wrapping up my hair like a towel and just letting the leave-in conditioner sit on my scalp, and just letting my hair dry for about, maybe like 50 to 60%. So off camera, I did go in and blow dry my hair. I do actually have a new blow dry routine. If you guys are interested to see that, then definitely let me know. But this is basically how my hair looks after I go in and blow dry it out. I really do not flat iron my hair at all. I just usually leave it in the blow dry state. And I just wanted to give you guys a length check. If you guys did not remember, I big chopped. I will probably have to say about a year ago. I remember I did a video and I posted it on my channel back in April of last year. I did a big chop, and this is exactly how long my hair has gotten within 1 year. I'm really happy, but I'm definitely focused on making sure my hair grows even more. My goal is to get waist length, okay? So this is the reason why you guys will be seeing me do more videos on my hair. I will be probably posting a new video on my hair, my different routines, different ways I get my hair to grow super fast, really soon. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know down in the comment section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.